Creating a professional resume in Microsoft Word is simple if you follow the right steps. Whether you're using a template or starting from scratch, a well-structured resume can help you stand out. Here are the steps to create a resume in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word and click on New to start a new document. You can either choose a pre-made resume template or start with a blank document for a customized format. Step 2. Set up the page layout. Go to the Layout tab and set the margins to 1 inch on all sides. Choose a professional font like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman, size 10 to 12. Adjust line spacing to 1.15 or 1.5 for better readability. Step 3. Add your contact information. At the top, type your full name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile if available. Center align or left align the information for a neat look. Step 4. Write a resume summary or objective. In 2 to 3 sentences, highlight your career goals, key skills, and experience. If you have work experience, use a summary. If you're a student or entry-level, write an objective. Step 5. Add your work experience. Under the Work Experience section, list your jobs in reverse chronological order, most recent first. Include job title, company name, dates worked, key responsibilities and achievements. Use bullet points. Step 6. Include your education. Add your degree, university name, and graduation year. If you're a student or a recent graduate, you can include relevant coursework or academic honors. Step 7. Highlight your skills. Create a skills section with hard and soft skills relevant to the job. Use bullet points to list skills like Microsoft Office, data analysis, teamwork, and problem solving. Step 8. Add additional sections optional. You can include sections like certifications and training, volunteer experience, projects and awards. Step 9. Format for readability. Use bold or uppercase for section headings. Keep it 1 page or 2 for experienced professionals. Avoid large blocks of text. Use bullet points for clarity. Step 10. Save and export. Save the file as yourname_resume docs. To ensure formatting stays intact, export it as a PDF before submitting or sharing. Following these steps will help you create a professional resume in Microsoft Word.